Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to refund a game on Steam step by step. First, log into your Steam account. At the top left, click Help, then select Steam Support. Once you're on that page, click Purchases. This is where your bought games appear. If you see the game you want to refund, click on it and choose I would like a refund. Next, pick your reason from the list, like the game not working, accidental purchase, or any other issue, and type a short note explaining why. Then, choose how you want your refund, either back to your payment method or to your Steam wallet. Once that's set, click Submit Request, and Steam will send you an email confirmation right away. Usually, Steam processes refunds within a few days. You'll get your money back automatically once the request is approved, and you'll be notified through email. If the game was bought outside Steam, remember that refund requests need to go through the store where you purchased it. And that's it, quick and easy. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Steam tutorials. Thanks for watching.